my channel. I hope you're all super well. I'm really excited because Pokemon have sponsored today's video. Oh, now you guys probably don't know this, but I am a little bit of a secret gamer. I remember growing up and playing video games with my brother pretty much every day. I remember trading Pokemon cards. So it's super exciting when they launched Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee on the Nintendo Switch. So to celebrate the launch of the game, I'm going to be turning myself into one of the Eevee evolutions. So there is 8 of them all together, but obviously from my hair and my current makeup, you can probably tell I'm going to be transforming myself into Leafeon. Now I chose that character because I pretty much look like her anyway, so I thought it was the best one to pick for today's makeup tutorial. Now Pokemon have worked with a super talented illustrated nail to create these custom Eevee inspired nails for me. These are one of a kind and not available to buy. However, don't worry, because Pokemon have created a complete how-to guide so you can give them a go for yourself. And if you want to learn how to create these nails, then there is a link to the video below. But for now, let's get into the makeup tutorial. So let's get going. What did you think of my Eevee evolution makeup tutorial? I'm literally loving it, and I feel like I've kind of really grasped the colours and everything and really transformed into a wearable version of Leafeon. So if you want to get your hands on Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, I've popped all of the details below for you. Not only do Pokemon sell the Eevee game, they've got so many amazing Eevee merchandise, including this cute little cuddly one here. And they also do Eevee as a little clip and go as well, which is super cute. So yeah, I'll pop links below for you to check out all the Eevee merchandise. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different for you guys. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in a video here soon. Peace out.